stop of my heart when it skips a beat.
We'll actually go as low as 806 for an entry. We just got filled there. A couple of bullish bars at this point. I'm looking to see this bar that we're currently on to go ahead and stay inside of this previous bar. So what we want to see is this price go ahead and make an attempt back down here towards these lows. Not necessarily these lows from the first hour's trade up today, but these lows and this 50% retracement of that range. So I don't know if I can see us coming all the way back down here. Like I said, to these lows, we had a fairly significant bounce up to the, from the bottom lows. So we want to see this trend line hold off here, and let's make a continuation down here. Like I said, I'm going to erase some of these horizontal lines here, but we know that we're looking at this 50% right here, and then we had yesterday's previous lows. Yeah, it doesn't look much like a bull flag here. This is what we could be looking at. Although I'm going to go ahead and move our final target a little bit further down, and we'll get rid of the other 2 contracts of the 3 by hand. So obviously this will change to 2, then 1. Yeah, this is a fairly bullish bar. I mean, that's came all the way down, on that large bar down, and then snap back up. Yeah, we know we want to be exiting at least 1 contract here once we've approached or got to this 200 moving average. And that'll either be our target 1 or our target 2, just depending on how we advance down. I'm going to go ahead and take one off here at 804.4, 804.5. And like I said before, we'll be looking at that 200 moving average for that second target. And we can actually bring our stop down to, let's see, we can bring it to break even, 806.2. We're going to look probably right above that 200 here at that 802.9 for that second target. Let's see if we can get down that low. Let's go ahead and make that exit of that second contract, 803.1. We just got filled there. And what we're going to do now, as always, we're going to go ahead and bring our final target a little bit further out. We're going to bring it down here to that below the lows of the first hour, and we'll leave our stop where it's at right now because we don't really have any idea of where to put it at this point. So we'll look for a bounce and see about putting it above that bounce area. This bar is kind of leading me to believe that we're going to get a little bit more of a significant bounce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start locking in profits here. And I'm going to go ahead and take my target or my exit down to 802.3. If I can do it. We'll go ahead and lock in those profits right against that trend line. Looks like we're making some momentum and no real bounce, just continued downward move. But if not, I expect the snapback to be fairly significant. So yeah, you don't want to watch the overreaction and not take advantage of it, or just you don't want to be caught watching. I'm going to go ahead and keep crowding this. We're going to bring our stop down a few more ticks to that 801.8. And this bar should be the final bar for this move. So we'll continue to crowd it all the way down. 8014, 8011, 801. We'll leave it. Okay, we just got stopped out there on that final contract.
Top of my heart when it